Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 integer. Exercise 6.3 question number 1. Question 1 have find a part 35 minus in bracket 20. So here I hope all of you remembered that minus into minus, this is equal to plus, okay, and minus inside a bracket is plus with numbers, this is equal to minus, plus, and inside of the bracket is minus with any number. The symbol of this is minus, plus, or plus, minus is equal to minus, and plus inside a bracket is also plus, then is equal to plus. Okay, so this is remember this and use here minus inside a bracket is only 20, so sign of 20 is plus. Okay, so plus, here minus, here plus, here nothing but plus, so minus into plus, this is equal to minus. Okay, so 35 minus 20. So 35 minus 20 is equal to what? If we subtract 35 minus 20, so you obtain here 5 minus 0, this is equal to 5, 3 minus 2, this is equal to 1. So we can write here 15. Okay, in these methods of subtraction of two or more integers, this is called horizontal methods and this is a vertical methods. Okay, now the next part means B part of question number 1 is that 72 minus 90. B part is that 72 minus in bracket 90. So here you can see 72 minus in bracket 90. So what is the sign of 90? The sign of 90 is nothing but plus. This is a positive. Okay, so if this is positive means that here we can write like this plus. Okay, so here the sign of 90, this is plus, this is height. Okay, so you can say here like this, and minus into plus, this is equal to minus. Here minus into plus, this is equal to minus. So we can write it as 72 minus 90. 72 minus 90. So here 72 is, what is the sign of 72? 72 is positive and 90 is negative. So here you can see they have different sign. So here subtraction is done. So 90 is greater than 72. So first we write the sign of greater numbers. So here greater number is 90 and the small number is 72. So first we write here sign of greater number. So 90 is greater, so sign of 90 is minus. So first we write minus. After this we subtract, because here both signs are different. So we subtract smaller number from greater number. So smaller number is 72 and greater number is 90. So we use for subtraction by column method. So 90 minus 72. Okay, so here you can see this is 0. So 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we take 1 carry for 0, so it's become 10. So 10 minus 2 is 18. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. After this, here this is 9, but here available only 8. This is 8. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So we can write here 18. So you can see here the result is minus 18. Okay. When we subtract 72 minus 90, so you can see here the sign of 72 is positive and sign of 90 is negative. Clear? So 90 is greater than 72, and here both integers sign have different, so subtraction is done here, and we subtract smaller number from greater number. So greater number is 90 and smaller number is 72, and we use the sign of greater number. The sign of greater number is minus. So first write here minus. After this we subtract small number from greater number. So 90 minus 72 we obtain 18. So you can write here minus 18. This is the required result. Okay. Now we are going to discuss C part of question number 2. C part of question 2 has minus 15, and this is minus 15 minus 18. Okay. So here you can see out of bracket is nothing, but you can say this is plus. Okay. So plus into minus, this becomes minus. So you can write minus 15 as it is. This is clear. After this you can see here, this is out of bracket is minus and inside of bracket is also minus. So you can say minus into minus. So minus into minus, this is equal to plus. Clear? Minus into minus, this is equal to plus. So you can write here minus into minus, this is equal to plus. This is 18. Okay. Now here you can see minus 15 plus 18. So 18 is greater than 15, and sign of both integers are different. It means that here subtraction is clear. So you can rearrange this number like that, plus 18, write first plus 18 minus 50 like this. Okay. And sometimes here we write only 18 plus minus 15. Okay. So 18 minus 15, this is equal to what? 18 minus 15, this is equal to 2 or 3. 18 minus 15, this is equal to 3. Okay. This is your given question. Minus 15 minus 18. So first you open this first bracket minus 15. So we can write minus 15. No change here. But here you can see minus minus. So you can read it minus into minus, minus into minus. This becomes a plus. So it's become minus minus plus, and we write here 18 as it is. Okay. So our next step is minus 15 plus 18. So you can see here the both integers have sign different. So here subtraction is done. So first with rearrange it. Okay. So first write this number, positive numbers 18 plus 18, after this minus 15. Or plus 18, you can write it only 18. No problem. Here positive sign is hide. Okay. So 18 minus 15, this is equal to 3. Now, next part of question number 2 is D part. D part have minus 20 minus 13. D part of question number 1 is that minus 20 minus minus 13. Okay, this is D part of question number 1. So here you can see this is a minus 20. You can write as it is. This is minus 20. Okay, and here inside of bracket is 13 given, but here plus sign is also height. So minus into plus is equal to minus. So we can write here minus 13. Okay, so you can see here this is a minus 20 and this is minus 30. This is minus 20 and this is minus 13. So both sign are same sign, both integers have same sign. So we can add these integers, we can sum up these integers. Okay, if the both sign of two or more integers have same, then we can add them and use their sign. Okay, and so their sign is, both sign is minus. So first we write here minus because both sign are minus. After this we add both integers. Okay, so 20 plus 30. This is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So you can write here 33. Okay, this is given question. This is given minus 20 minus in bracket 13. Okay, so minus 20 you can write as it is. Here no change. Okay, in sign, and but here this is 13, this is positive. Okay, so minus into plus, this becomes minus, and you write 13 as it is. Here you can see minus 20 minus 13, both sign have same. Okay, so first write here both sign, after this we add them. Okay, it means that 20 plus 13 is equal to 33. So our required result is 33. This is clear. Now we are going to discuss E part of this question number 1. E part of question number 1 is 23 minus 12. Okay, so next step you can write 23 as it is. So here you write as it is 23, but here you can see minus, both are minus, so minus into minus, this becomes plus. Here you can see minus into minus, this becomes plus. So we can write here minus into minus, this is plus, and we write here 12 as it is. Okay, so you can see here both numbers are positive. Here 23 is also positive and 12 is also positive. If both are same sign, then we add them and write the same sign. Okay, so here both are positive, so we add them. 3 plus 2, this is equal to 5. 2 plus 3, this is equal to 5, and after this 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So our result is 35. Student, I hope all of you understood this sum. Okay, here you can see this is given 23 minus in bracket minus 12. So minus into minus, this becomes plus. For example, if you have minus 2 into minus 3, so minus into minus, so first this becomes plus, after this 2 into 3, this becomes 6, plus 6, or simply you can write only 6. Okay, so now next part of this question is F part. F part of this question is that minus 32 minus 40, minus 32 minus 40. Okay, this is the F part. So solution of this part, this is minus 32, we write it as it is, minus 32. Here no change. Okay, but here you can see in bracket minus 40 and out of bracket is also minus. So we can read it minus into minus. Minus into minus, here you can see minus into minus, this becomes plus. So this is plus, minus into minus, this become plus, and you write this 40 as it is. Now in next step you can see here minus 32 plus 40. Minus 32 plus 40. So you can see here 32 have negative sign, but 40 have positive sign. 40 is greater than 32. 40 is greater than 32. So here subtraction is possible. So 40, you can write it. First we rearrange it. Okay. So this 42 plus sign with 40. This is 40 plus sign. We write first, after this sign. These numbers minus 32. Okay. Or you can write also only 40. This positive sign is hide here. Okay. So 40 minus 32. This is equal to what? This is equal to 8. If you subtract them, 40 minus 32, then we got 8. Okay. See, in this question, this is very simple questions. You can solve very easy way. 32 minus 40. So you can see the minus into minus. This is equal to plus. So here minus into minus. This is equal to plus. So we write here 40 as it is, and here minus 32 as it is. Now, and after this we rearrange it, because you can see 40 is positive and 32 is negative, and 40 is greater than 32. So first we write 40, after this 32 with their sign, so plus 40 and minus 32. So this is the first number, first integers. So we can hide their symbol, positive symbol. We can write only 40 and minus 32. When we subtract 32 from 40, then we got 8. This is our required result. So in this way, student will complete all part of question number 1. Now we are going to discuss second questions. Fill in the blanks with greater sign, small sign and equal signs. Okay. So let's see how to solve question number 2. Here question number 2, fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal. So here this is a minus 3 plus minus 6 minus 3 minus 6. We need to fill this blank with suitable signs. Okay. So greater than or less than or equal sign we fill here. So how can we fill greater or smaller sign? How can we take decision? So we solve part first. We solve this part, and after this we solve this part, and we compare the result. Who is greater, who is smaller, or both are equals. According to this condition, we fill this blanks. Okay. So let's see. First we solve this minus 3 plus minus 6. Okay. So you can write this minus 3 as it is. After this, here plus, and this is minus. So minus plus minus into plus into minus, this is equal to minus. So here we can write 6 as it is. So we have minus 3 minus 6. So here you can see both integers have same signs, minus sign. So we can add them. Okay. Okay. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So what is the symbol of 9? Means what is the sign of 9? This is because both are minus, minus 3 minus 6. So we can write here minus 9. Okay. Now we solve this part. Okay, so here this part is given -3 minus 6. Okay, so this, so we can write this -3 as it is -3, but here minus and minus. Outside of bracket is minus and inside bracket is also minus. So minus into minus, this becomes a plus. So this is a plus 6. This is clear now. So here -3 plus 6. So you can rearrange it. Okay, so you can write first plus 6, after this -3, because 6 is the greater than 3 and 6 have positive sign and 3 have negative sign. So you can also write this plus 6. You can write only 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So you can tell me who is greater, 9 minus 9 or 3? This is -9 and this is 3. So who is greater? So every positive integers is greater than every negative integers. Okay, every positive integers is greater than any positive integers is greater than every negative integers. This is positive integers, this is negative integers. Okay, so this side is greater and this side is smaller. Okay, so you can use this symbol. Okay, it means just -3 plus -6 is less than -3 minus 6. So student, I hope all of you understood how to fill these blanks. Okay, now we are going to discuss B part of this question number 2. B part of this question is that -21 minus -10 minus 21 minus 10. Okay, this is a blank space, and after this -31 minus 31 plus minus 11. So which sign is we here fill, greater than, less than, or is equal to? So how can we take decision? So for this we solve this and this. After this we compare it, then we take this, we are able to take decision that this is greater than or less than or equal to sign we fill here. So let's see. First we solve this part. Here this is given -21 minus 10. Okay, so this 21 minus 21 we can write as it is. So you can write here -21 minus plus, this becomes plus, and we write 10 as it is. So in this way we have -21 plus 10. Now here you can see -21 plus 10, both integers have different sign. Okay, so this is -21, this is plus 10. So here you can see 21 is greater than 10. So the sign is different of both integers. So here subtraction is clear. So we subtract small number from greater number. Okay, so small number is here, small integer is 10 and greater integer is 21. So subtract 21 minus 10. So we obtain here 11. 21 minus 10, we obtain here 11. So what is the sign of 11? Plus or minus? We always use greater sign of greater numbers. So here you can see 21 is the greater integers. Okay, and then 10, 21 is greater than 10. So we use sign of 21. What is the sign of 21? You can see sign of 21 is minus. Okay, now in this part you can see this is -31 and plus -11. So you can write it -31. So this is 31. Okay, and here plus minus. and you write 11 as it is. So you can see here both integers have minus sign. Okay, so we add them. So 31 plus 11 is 34. Sorry, 44. 30 42. 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 3 4. And what is the sign of 42? Because both are in minus sign, so we put here, write here minus. Okay, so you can tell me what is the who is greater integers, minus 42 or minus 11, because both are negative integers here. So who is greater, minus 11 or minus 42? So here you can see 11 is the less than 42, but in case of negative integers, smaller number is greater. Okay, so here minus 11, so here minus 42. So minus 11 is greater than 40 minus 42. Minus 11 is greater than minus 42. So it means that this is greater. So it means that this is greater than this. So you can use the symbol like this. You can read it. Minus 21 minus minus 10 is greater than minus 31 plus minus 11. Okay. Now we are going to discuss C part of question number 2. This is a C part of question number 2 have 45 minus minus 11. 45 minus minus 11. This is blank space, and this minus 57 plus 57 plus minus 4. Okay, so how we take decision that we fill here greater symbol, less than symbol, or equal to symbol. So first we solve one by one. After this we compare them and take decision what we fill here, less than or greater than or equal to sign. Okay, so here you can see this is 45 minus 11. 45 minus minus 11. So we write 45 as it is. Okay, and minus minus plus. This is equal to plus, and we write 11 as it is. So you can see 45 plus 11. 45 plus 11 is equal to 1 plus 5. This is equal to 6. 1 plus 4. This is equal to 5. So 45 plus 11 is equal to 56. Inside we obtain 56. Now we are going to solve next side. 57 plus minus 4. So first we write 57 as it is. This is 57 plus into minus. This is equal to minus, plus into minus. This is equal to minus, and here this is 4. So we write 4 as it is. Okay. Now, so 57 minus 4. 57 minus 4 is equal to 53. So here you can see 53, and here 56. Which is greater, 53 or 56? Both are positive integers. 53, 56. So you can say, I hope you can say 56 is greater than 53. So it means that this side is greater than that side. Okay. So use this symbol. Okay. You can read it. 45 minus minus 11 is greater than 57 plus minus 4. Okay. Now we are going to discuss next part, D part of question number 2. This is D part. Okay. Minus 25 minus 25 minus minus 42 blanks. After this is given minus 42 minus 42 minus minus 25. This is given. Okay. So first we solve both side one by one. After this we compare them and we able to take decision who is greater or who is less or both are equals. Okay, so let's see. Here you write minus 25 as it is, and here minus into minus, this becomes plus. This is 42. So this is 42 minus 25. Okay, this is positive, this is negative. So we subtract 25 from 42 because 42 is greater than 25. So this is equal to 17. Okay, 42 minus 25, this is equal to 17. Now we are going to solve this part, and here we write 42 as it is. Here minus into minus, this become plus, and we write 25 as it is. Okay, and here this is minus 42 and this is plus 25. So here this is confirmed that 25 subtract from 42 because 42 is greater than 25 and both have different sign. 42 have minus sign but 25 have plus sign. So 42 minus 25, this is equal to 17, and 42 is greater, so use here the greater number sign. So greater number sign is minus, so you can write in minus. So here you can see this is a positive, this is a negative, both have same number, but this is a positive integer, this is a negative integers. So every positive integers is greater than every negative integers. Okay, so this is a plus 17, this is minus 17. So plus 17 is greater than minus 17. So you can say this side is greater than that side. So use this symbol. Okay. So student, I hope all of you understood how to fill the blanks with given signs. Okay. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.